Plain Jane bags or brand name bags? I'm going to tell you which ones I use and why, give you something to think about. I'm ready. While depressing, shut the heck up, ink and boosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for taking some of your time out and stop by. Please browse around, check out some of the other videos. I do a variety, you might find something else of interest. In today's video, I'm going to quickly go over a simple review of this set that I bought of the Bucketboss tool totes. One main reason why I use stuff like this, we know that, stupid thieves, they're just out for a quick buck. They're very opportunistic, and if they see something they can grab and run real quick and sell it to somebody or take it to the pawn shop real quick, make $1 or $2, that's what they're going to do. So if they see a bunch of tool bags, big green one, big yellow and black one, or a big red one sitting in the back of a vehicle they can grab real quick, they see this big logo name plastered on the side and saying the tool brand, do you not think they're going to grab that bag first before they grab one of these? I'm taking away any temptation, and that's why I prefer soft tote bags, plain simple like this, versus brand name bags. So come on up, I'm going to show you these real quick, just kind of go over them. Now the main reason why I went online is I needed to get a bag or a tote to carry some jumper cables in. My wife's car really doesn't have much far as storage goes, so we have the jumper cable and a few things in the back just coiled up, sitting in a little side, and it's bouncing around, rattling around. It's already starting to wear on the plastic sides there, so I thought I'm going to get a bag to put this in. I didn't know that the Bucketboss brand had an actual soft case for your jumper cables. Put it in the side of the back there, and it keeps everything here and won't bounce around. It's not rubbing on anything, and that's the main reason why I got this. It's for my wife's car. I started looking at prices and stuff, and I came across this combination kit. It was this value pack, 16-inch bag and a 12-inch bag. Originally I was just looking at the 16-inch bag. A few bucks more, I figured what the heck. I can always use this to throw accessories or just throw another impact driver or something in. I can use this. They call this the gate mount. Open up, it's got this huge opening to get in, access your tools very easily. I don't know if I can get it out. You have 3 side pockets on either side, nothing in the middle. My other one, again, that is 10 to 13 years old, it's got additional 2 pouches on the side. These don't have that. The pouches on the inside, you can fit a small 1.5 amp hour battery in there, or something small, as on this side I have my little case I carry that's got all my nut drivers in for my impact. So I'll put the batteries on the side, some extra storage things, and put the tools in the center, battery charger, or whatever I need. But you have 3 pouches on the inside on either side. You have 3 pouches on the outside, again either side. And you have hooks on the opposite sides, here, for your shoulder strap. And I use the shoulder strap, especially if I got a bunch of tools in there. I'll just hook it over my shoulder, grab me a couple more bags, and off I go. It makes it very easy and convenient to use. Have a little thing up here, or look in the description below. I'll have the model numbers and everything for this. I'll even have links to this at both places, Home Depot and Sears. Now the little bonus one that came with this is a 12-inch bag. I didn't use this when we went to Mexico. I didn't think about it. I left it here and just grabbed my other tools and we took off. But I could have taken my little tack hammers for my installation. They would have fit in there. Put some staples in there, box staples, and off I went. Now this has 3 little small pouches on the side, both sides. Same thing on the inside. You have 3 pouches on either side, either with handle here, or you can actually grab the side here and hang it and carry it around on either end. You got both totes. When I go to Mexico, I will be using that, and I will probably put my tack hammers in there and staples and some other stuff, and that's where I'll keep that. So I kind of keep all my tools separate in separate bags for the whatever purpose I need them. Also, I didn't say on this, it's got the side strap on either end. You can carry it this way or through your handles, or, and I'll hook this up real quick, you can carry it with your shoulder strap. Put that one over here, and there, you got your shoulder strap. You can carry it that way. It comes with the shoulder strap, this one. This is the bag that I've had for over 10 years now. And again, looks great. But this one, I have 3 on the outside, 2 pockets on either end. So on the outside, I have 10 pockets. And on the inside, same, 3 on this side, 3 on this side, but I have an additional pocket on each side. So I have 8 on the inside, 10 on the outside, 18 pockets on this one. The new one only has on either side, same on the inside, nothing on the ends. Nothing's worn. I carry it around. You see it's a little bit faded because this isn't 10 years old, but none of these stitching has frayed, started coming loose. Same thing on the inside. It's like a doctor's bag thing, opens up wide. You got a huge opening. That's why I like these. That's a quick overview. Good bags, and again, they are made in China, but I'm telling you, I've had the other one for 10 plus years. There's not many things I will actually say that I really like from China, but I have to say these are pretty decent quality. Good heavy duty canvas. Stitching is great. I think they're a good little bag to use to tote tools around with when those thieves or just opportunistic people walk by, see something they just want to grab and run and make a few bucks on. They're going to see that big flashy bag that's got tool brand flashed all over the side, big letters. That's basically saying, look at me, look at me, look at me, take me. And they see this, they're going to grab that before they grab this. That's just something to think about. So if you're in the market for a bag to tote your tools around and you don't want hard case, this you can throw, again, like this. You can make a little emergency kit, throw in your car. Good to go. Grab you one of these for jumper cables and stuff. Keeps everything organized right there. So you just grab it, walk around, undo, hook, jump, start, go. Thank you so much for watching. Again, something to think about. Be blessed, take back your shack. Just build it for your sanity. I got some other things I got to do, so we'll see you next video.